guys, welcome to Food in a Flash. I am Coach Callie and I work at the Group Health Cooperative in the Health Promotion Department. Today's topic will be blackberries. So a few key notes about blackberries. They are truly a superfood. They are a rich source of vitamin C, vitamin K, and manganese. Blackberries have an extremely high fiber content and they provide significantly more per calorie than whole grain bread or brown rice. Blackberries fight inflammation and slow the aging process, and they're extremely versatile in cooking and baking. A few nutrition facts about blackberries. So per 1 cup, they have 60 calories, 2 grams of protein, 7 grams of fiber, about 13 grams of carbs, and 50% of which is fiber, and 6 grams of sugar. Blackberries also have a ton of vitamins and minerals. They manage blood sugar spikes, they support stable energy levels throughout the day, they provide 31% of daily fiber recommendation, and fiber is essential since it slows the absorption of sugar and fat into the bloodstream. For vitamin C, they have half of the daily recommendation. Vitamin C is essential for strengthening the immune system response. And for manganese, they also have half of the daily recommendation. Manganese is a mineral that aids in calcium absorption, wound healing, and a healthy skeletal system. Blackberries also have vitamin K. This provides 32% of the daily recommendation. Vitamin K is essential for supporting proper blood clotting and prevents calcium buildup in the arteries. And finally, blackberries have anthocyanins. These are a type of phytonutrient that give the berry its blackish purple pigment. They deliver strong antioxidant effects to fight cell mutation and damage. Blackberries provide a plethora of benefits to the human body. Firstly, they lower cholesterol. Blackberries can reduce LDL cholesterol by 50%, which in turn can significantly reduce the risk of heart attack and stroke. Blackberries also decrease the risk of cancer. Because blackberries have those antioxidants, they destroy or slow the growth of cancer cells. When consumed daily, blackberries can lower the risk of breast cancer by 24% and stomach cancer by 37%. Blackberries also promote strong bones. The vitamin K content supports blood clotting and the delivery of proteins to the bones, so therefore it decreases the risk of osteoporosis. Blackberries also support brain health. They prevent the damage of brain cells, increase blood flow to the brain, and improve memory, which in turn lowers the risk of Alzheimer's disease. And then blackberries are also essential for digestion. The fiber content keeps our intestinal walls clean, reduces inflammation, and can heal stomach ulcers. Finally, blackberries are optimal for dietary restrictions. They are nutrient dense, so they provide a wide variety of nutrients with minimal calorie intake. They're also perfect for weight loss. The high fiber content also makes them ideal for those who are monitoring their carbohydrate intake. The season for blackberries is from early June to late August. Couple shopping tips for blackberries. They're best when selected in a deep purple or black color. Red or pale berries typically need more time to ripen. Blackberries that are firm with a sweet aroma contain the best flavor, but be cautious of those that are overly soft, dull, or produce a moldy scent. When storing blackberries, they are best eaten within a couple days of purchasing. Serving them at room temperature will deepen the flavor profile. They can be kept in the refrigerator to extend their shelf life. It's better to store them in an uncovered container for 1 to 2 days, making sure they are completely dry. To freeze, it's best to place blackberries on a baking sheet lined with paper towel and to freeze for an hour, then freeze in an uncovered container for 9 to 12 months. And be sure to refrain from washing blackberries until you are ready to eat or cook them. This will prevent premature mold growth. Prior to cooking, it's best to rinse blackberries in a strainer and remove any leaves or stems. And as far as cooking and baking, like I said, they're incredibly versatile. You can freeze them. It's fun sometimes to puree them and make them into popsicles. You can bake them into pies, cobblers, muffins, or cheesecakes, but be sure to fold them in gently to prevent juicing. You can preserve them. Blackberries are high in pectin, so this makes them excellent for jams or jellies. and they can be fun to throw into different breakfast foods such as smoothies, oatmeal, or even used as a pancake topping. You can mix them in with veggies as well. You can add them to summer salads with nuts and low-fat vinaigrette, or you can even blend them in a food processor and use them as a marinade for salmon or chicken or other proteins. And finally, a nice tip for blackberries is that they do pair well with orange, lemon, or cinnamon flavors. And then I did include a blackberry overnight oats recipe as well, and that can be adjusted to your dietary preferences. So that's it for blackberries. Pretty extensive information, but if you do have any questions, just let me know in the chat. Thanks. Have a great day, guys.